Okay, guys, so there's this token that is under $1, and actually everyone is ignoring it. Not everyone, but a lot of people are ignoring it because everyone is focused on Doge, on Solana, on Ethereum, and stuff like this. But in fact, this token can see a very huge growth in the next months. If the bull run kicks, this one will, with no doubt, have some really good results. This token is Curve here. So what is Curve? Curve is basically a stablecoin market in which you can trade different stablecoins, and the role of Curve Finance is to make the DeFi ecosystem having a clear stream of different stable coins, so the DeFi ecosystem can have dollar liquidity easily. And Curve is playing a huge role into this. So before going deeper into that, let's just take a look at the actual chart. So the price is actually 72 cents right here. So this is the weekly view. And as we can see, the potential of a price appreciation can go to $6 is not $6 is decent actually. $6 seems like a local top right here, and it's not the all-time top, but it's like a local top around 2021. I think the price could at least go to this level here, but before going to this level, we will need the price to go through this actual resistance here, because we are actually in the channel between this line and this line here, and yeah, it's not impossible that the price of Curve can cross this one. So we are in the middle of this channel actually. So yeah, around below $1. I consider it very, very low actually. And it has a bounce here, which is a pretty good sign. If we zoom out over there, we can see that that's a very good sign. I like this chart a lot. So we have kind of a W forming here, and maybe if we could course like this, would be perfect. That would be very perfect. I'm not sure it will go like this. Maybe it will just go parabolic, but you never know. So actually the price action is very good. The price is not that huge, and I feel very confident with that one. Very, very confident. Okay, and the last thing that you need to know is that Curve and BlackRock has some kind of partnership. So let's just read this small article I made here. So Curve.io and BlackRock established a significant partnership in late 2024. So that's still very new, marking a notable convergence between decentralized finance and traditional finance. So the partnership explains. So in November 2024, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, launched the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund called BUIDL. So yeah, that's a reference to build. A tokenized money market fund investing primarily in short-term US Treasury bills. To integrate BUIDL into the DeFi ecosystem, BlackRock collaborated with Helixir, a blockchain infrastructure provider, and Curve Finance. And this is the most important point that you need to know, that you need to understand. Because if BlackRock has a partnership with Curve Finance, no wonder other TradFi fund will maybe want to get involved with Curve Finance, meaning the liquidity will come into this project, and that's quite sure. Yeah, that's nothing is sure in this ecosystem, but the product that Curve Finance is doing is perfect for every institution who wants to come into the crypto market. So a leading decentralized exchange. This collaboration allows BUIDL token holders to mint DUSD, a yield-bearing synthetic dollar, which can be traded on Curve's liquidity pool. So strategic implications. So institutional access to DeFi, enhanced liquidity, and yield opportunities, because in Curve Finance you can yield some tokens and get some CRV tokens. So the market impact. Following the announcement, Curve.io native token experienced a significant price increase. That is this one over there, here. The reflecting positive market sentiment towards the integration of traditional financial assets into the DeFi space. Future Outlook, this collaboration exemplifies the growing trend of tokenizing real-world assets and integrating them into decentralized platforms. It sets a precedent for future partnerships between traditional financial institutions and DeFi protocols, which is the heart of the subject here. The traditional finance working with the DeFi protocols. This is huge, this is powerful. And the fact that the market, actually, the degens are ignoring Curve is for me a very, very good sign, because the potential of liquidity that can come into CRV is just enormous, because you will have first some traditional actors who want to get involved into Curve, but then you will also have all the degens coming by, because at some point they will understand what is going on with Curve. And Curve is actually exactly what I'm searching for, some tokens that have a huge potential and that are being ignored. So actually Curve is less than $1 billion valuation, which is very, very, very low compared to where it can go. So yeah, $10 wouldn't even surprise me. Of course, it will be during a huge bull market phase, but still, if you're patient enough and if you buy the dips below $1, this one could go very, very well. So if you want to get access to the article, you will have the link in the description, and see you in the next one.